Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. And as I spoke yesterday, we saw Bitcoin being defeated by the sellers, I guess, because the sellers were winning. And I talked about this symmetrical triangle in detail. I told you all the details that, right, you're going down, you're moving to the upside, you're coming down again, you're moving up, and you made a fake out. And when you made a fake out, this is where you went to the downside. I told you that the only logical reason why you made a fake out is so that they can actually push it down. Okay, if you made a fake out down here, they can push it up. Now you do have a little bit of very small tiny gap. You still have a very tiny gap, and during this little bit of a tiny gap right here, could it be possible you just smash through and go to the upside again? That's going to be double fake outs, and you have a fake out where the sellers faked it out and the buyers faked it out. But I highly doubt that the fake out is going to happen from the buyer side. Now reason being is, you do have one red candle, second red candle, and the third red candle. These three combined are three black crows, and I've talked about three black crows so many times, and all they do is that they mean the coin is going to retrace to the downside. We cannot expect the coin to go down, so there could be a little bit of a pullback to retest this line that you lost, because after all, when you lose support, you're going to backtest them. So you got support. This is for the first time, clear loss of the support, go back for the retest, make a kiss of death, and then boom, you have a technical target right below here to the triangle. So basically we're talking about $26,850. Okay, that's where it is. Now I'm not really negative on Bitcoin at all. I'm just potentially just saying about the correction on the smaller time frames. And if I zoom out on the daily here, if we go back to the daily time frame, I still think that we got Bitcoin here, even potentially making a very extended diamond top right over there. If you look at it, for some reason, I think this is a really big diamond top or some head and shoulder. Like you got boom, and you got boom, and you got a little bit of that boom right there. So yeah, it does look like a very big diamond top. You had one diamond top down here, which was invalidated, and then you ended up making a bigger diamond top right over here. If you look at it, it does look to me like it's a diamond top right there, and you're looking for that move to the downside, because diamond top are meant for the reversal to the downside if you came from an uptrend, and if you came from a downtrend and make a diamond top, it means it's going to move to the upside as well. Right, so it doesn't really end there. There's one more thing, and message me up on Twitter and tell me that, hey Atom Coins, I need to know the name of the coin, because there's a coin that I think I'm looking at. It's really down, it's really good, and it has the potential to actually give us some profit. I'm going to tell you the time. I'm going to tell you how you should buy it as well, so that you don't ever get like big losses out of it. Of course, crypto is risky, and if your guy is willing to take some risks here, just calculate it. One, don't take too much of a risk as well, because I'm not also going like too much into that coin. But I'm going to tell you that coin, and it's free. Okay, you're going to know it for absolutely free. Just message me on Twitter right now if you're interested to know, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.